Morning students, most welcome to the new session 2021-22 as a new session is going to start from 22nd of April 2021. On the same day we are celebrating Earth Day also. So what you have to do, you have to plant one tree and then take that photograph of that and then send in WhatsApp group. So we will be publishing it anywhere. So the next thing, new session starting, it will be the innovative one. We are having our studies. With studies we are having our competitions, our activity. This is the first activity as we are doing that on Earth Day. And now results, about your results, it will be declared soon and the dates will be given in that WhatsApp group, all the information. So this year also the new session, it will be, the mode of studies will be online this time till the new information will come. Your mode of studies will be online. So classes, it will be going to start from Classroom app, this Google Classroom app and WhatsApp group also. These two you have to download and give your numbers, the WhatsApp number here in school. If it is not provided, you have to give that. And now regarding the attendance also, 75% attendance is must. You have to give your attendance here in Classroom app. If you are attending the classes, if you are doing your work, anything, whatever, you have to give your information here in WhatsApp group. And the next thing about your timetable, about your new activity chart, you will be getting here in WhatsApp group. Everything like timetable, competition, examination schedule. Okay. Now for the students, you have to write daily diary in your diaries properly and get it signed by your parents. It is necessary to get it signed by your parents. Next thing about the book set. Without book set, no studies will run. You have to take your books, you have to purchase your books, or you can ask your friends also, as the courses are not going to change. So maintenance of copies are also required. Each and every chapter in that perfect manner you have to do in your copies. There is no change in syllabus except class 10. Only class 10th will change. Other classes, the syllabus, it will not going to change. Now the whole session you have to be online or offline. If the orders will come, then you have to be offline also. You have to come to school. Your attendance will be counted. Now about the parents also. Parents also, we want some support from parents also. You have to be very much alert during the hours of the studies. If the student is doing their study, you have to monitor them whether they are doing their work. Daily diary especially you have to check and keep the check in their copy work, whatever they are doing, they are reading, they are learning or anything, and mainly keep that environment of your home, the happy one. Motivate your child to do their best. If he is feeling irritated or if he or she is feeling irritated or sometimes like not well, consult the doctor also and monitor all the things in a proper form, whether it is studies, whether it is in their writing, learning, their eating. Take healthy diet and give them the proper diet also. Thanks a lot. Thank you.